what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of love.
Hey my girlies, it's your girl Tiera.amber here, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is a wig collab, so I would like to thank Luvmehair so much for sponsoring today's video. They sent me their 7x6 loose body wave wig in 22 inches, and as you can see, it's giving scalp, it's giving side part, it's honestly giving Hollywood curls. This wig is super cute. I cannot wait for y'all to get into this video to see how I achieve this look. One thing I love about Luvmehair is they love a side part as much as I love a side part. If you aren't new to my channel, you know that I will always pick side part over middle part. I don't know what it is, but I just feel like the side part fits my face better. I just feel like that girl with the side part. Comment down below if you agree with me. For their wigs to come with this deep side part that's already parted, that's already plucked, that's already bleached, it's like amazing. It's basically done for me, so it made the install process super easy. I didn't want to do too much as far as recurling and just doing the most when installing this wig. I really wanted to keep it simple so that my beginner girlies could follow along real nice, real simple, real easy, right? This is what the results look like. It already comes with these big and beautiful curls. I literally just layered a little piece in the front and curled it, and that's all I did. All of these curls and stuff in the back, that's how the hair came, which I think is amazing. Again, we just want simple, easy to install wigs. Like, look at that. That is so cute. If you are interested in this wig and how I got this look, please keep on watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. And make sure you turn on your notifications so that you can be posted anytime I post another video. So without further ado, let's get on to the video.
night fights, fucked up the mall. Ain't no price, your love was priceless. I know I fucked up, you call me lying to convinced you was getting even and getting hit by another nigga. Yeah, I was sick. I'm a player, but I gotta admit, yeah, you hurt me, but I know it ain't as bad as I hurt you. Say you was done, I act like I never heard you. Don't tell me it's over when I say it's over. Tell me it's over when I say it's over. 'Cause I can't take no more. Tell me it's over when I say it's over. Tell me it's over when I say it's over. 'Cause I can't take no more. 'Cause I can't take no more. I just made a ride on Northside Drive. Seen that little Jeep, thought I seen you from behind. Pulled up on the side, wasn't you in the window? You still on my mind, clear to see, plain and simple. Then I started thinking about the way it used to be. I was on the phone, we got call history. Fucking with each other for so long, it gets to me. I'm reminded by the signs that we just aren't meant to be. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. 'Cause I can't take no more. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without.
Okay, my girlies, this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you got into this point right here. I appreciate you so much. Make sure you check out Luvmehair and see all of their amazing wigs that they have to offer. This is my second collaboration with them, and honestly, their wigs are so good, so natural, and so easy to install. We are still on the road to 1K. I just need about, what, 12 more subscribers till 1K. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications if you want to be notified when I post another video. I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.
Yeah, murder, murder. Chapter 2. Let's rock, let's rock.
Can you rock the